Want to know how to compare two different products in Best Buy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Best Buy application. So, once you have opened it up, you should be on this interface right here. You can just simply open it up or just simply open the website of Best Buy. So, we have also created similar videos regarding the Best Buy application or the website. So, make sure to watch it. It's on our channel. So since we want to compare our price here, make sure you are on a product page. So I am on this MacBook Pro product page right here. You can just simply search for it and see the product that you want to compare first. So this one is $21.99. So you can just simply select this Best Buy help right here on the bottom right side. So you can just simply select that. And now right here, as you can see, various options popping up. And here you should also be seeing price match. Just simply select that. And now once you've selected price match, you should be under a different interface and your Best Buy should load up just like this. Now you can just simply match your price by screenshotting it. You can just simply scroll down and then select price match of two different products and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.